Hey, amazing creators! Struggling to create gaming montages, spending hours on creating a gaming montage and still not satisfied with the result? No problem, Filmora's got your back with its two amazing AI-powered tools specially crafted for creators. Want to learn about these features? Keep watching! Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. First one is Smart Scene Cut. Smart Scene Cut is a video editing feature that intelligently identifies and extracts key moments or scenes from a long video, making it easier to create a rough cut or highlight reels by automatically detecting and segmenting different scenes or moments. Benefits: it's time-saving. It automates the process of finding and selecting key moments, saving significant time and effort. It's efficient. It allows users to quickly create highlights, character scenes, or custom scenes with just a few clicks. It's easy to use. It simplifies the editing process, making it more accessible for users of all skill levels. How to use AI Smart Scene Cut. First, launch Filmora and go to the toolbox. Here you will find all the AI tools offered by Filmora. Click on Smart Scene Cut, then select your gaming footage. On the next screen, click on Start, and AI will start analyzing your footage. Once the analysis is done, it'll show you three options to create a highlight. The first one is a highlighted scene, the second one is a character scene, and the third one is a custom object. Under the highlight option, AI will create the highlights for you. Alternatively, under character scene, you can specify a character, and AI will extract the highlights for that particular character only. And under custom object, select the object and AI will generate a highlight for that particular object. Just click on Add All and you're done. Once you're done with the highlights, click on Edit in the main timeline and edit the highlight in your own style. The second one is AI Beat Sync. With Filmora's AI Beat Sync in the Auto Montage Maker, your footage transforms into a stunning visual experience. It intelligently analyzes every clip and syncs them perfectly to the beats of your chosen soundtrack, creating an exhilarating montage that truly stands out. Plus, you can amp up the excitement by adding dynamic effects, making your montage not just good, but captivating. Creating dynamic videos with music such as hype reels, slideshows, or social media content. Synchronize video clips, footage, and elements to the beat of the music, adding video effects and transitions that are timed to the music's rhythm. How to use AI Beat Sync? First, launch Filmora, go to the toolbox, and scroll down. You will find Auto Beat Sync. Click on it to launch it, and the Auto Beat Sync screen will open. Click on Import Media to import your footage. You can import a single long reel of footage, or you can import multiple reels of footage. Select all the reels of footage and import them. Then, under Whole Length, adjust the length of the video. Then, under Background Music, import your background music. And then adjust the start duration of the background if you want to include only a specific part of the music. Then, under Beat Cut, adjust the beats with the slider. If you want them fast, then set the slider on fast, or if you want slow, just set the slider on slow. Then, under Video Effect, you can add RGB effect, glow effect, video wall, and blur. Once you're done with the settings, click on Analyze, and AI will analyze your video. If you're happy with the result, click on Export to Timeline and then edit it further in your own style. These two tools will help you make a gaming montage in no time. Download Filmora from the link in the description and explore the world of AI. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.